Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great and happy drawing. So today in this video, I thought to share basic tips for human structure drawing that I usually use. Just to know that there is no right or wrong way of drawing, it is all about your passion and practice. Here I'm using Procreate and the basic sketch brush. You can do this with paper and pencil or any other medium you feel okay with. If you are a beginner, it's better to use paper and pencil. The first thing I am going to talk about is the three major masses of the human body. First, the head. Head I'm just doing circle or oval. Does not need to be perfect. It's just to give you guys the idea. Second is the torso, upper torso. Understand the chest part of the body. You can do rectangle or round. Line define the neckline or the backbone, spinal cord that connect whole head, torso, and also the pelvis. At the corner, it's shoulder, so make a smaller circle at the both sides. Okay, so this upper torso. Now, the third one is the pelvis. It's more like a triangular shape. No need to make it perfect. So these are the three major masses of the body we need to know, or you can simple name it XYZ. I'm just using red lines to define the lines. Okay, let's make these smaller. Now to make a little more details of X head, I created 3 circles: front view, side view, face down view, just giving you the idea of head structure. Let's do the side view. Facing down is a little bit different, but has the same rule. Just lines are curved beside straight lines. So now I'm going to show you how all the 3 masses XYs can connect and give the action poses. Let's make a man running pose. I know you guys might have a little difficulty with my explanation, but no worries about explanation. You can watch and learn, you can continue drawing with, or you can pause the video and draw, or you can watch a complete video and repeat to practice. I am working on a different layer, just so you have an idea. If you're using pencil and paper, first you use the light pencil H or HB, then you can use bold ones or any color pencil. I will show you more examples so you can understand more. Use any poses from Google or Pinterest and try, or you can just practice with my poses. Anyways, hope you guys liked my lesson video and hope it was helpful. And thank you all, love and support. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and finally don't forget to subscribe. Take care and happy drawing.